Okay, this is a solution for question 24 in chapter 5. Consider the time varying process behavior shown below, and on the next page match each of these several patterns of process performance to the corresponding NR charts shown in figures A to E below. It says, so the figure A matches the figure 2. What's the reason? So for X, for the mean, we are going to look at the mean and the variance here. Here the mean doesn't change. Here means gets higher, and here mean gets lower, smaller, I should say. So if you look at the xbar chart, here the mean is regular mean, so it doesn't change, but it gets larger and goes above UCL. And here the mean is going to get smaller, so it's gonna readjust itself around here. So therefore the answer is 2 for the first one. And for the pattern in figure B, so look at the mean. Mean is all the same all throughout, but variances are different. So the variance, if variance is, let's say, A here, the variance is twice of that, and it goes the same all the way. So for this we are going to look at the R chart, because R chart is about the variance. The mean didn't change, so X chart stays the same, like it's in control limits, and it goes along the data set, stays along the x-axis. On the other hand, for the R chart, I mean, like after some point you see this high peaks and lows, which shows that the variance is changing. Okay, so therefore the answer is going to be 4. Here we look at again x, the mean. So the mean is a little bit high above this, the regular mean, and then it gets very small, and the variance is large in the third one, in the first 3, and then the variance gets smaller. So if you look at the variance R chart, so at first the variance is big, but then it gets smaller. So, and here, see, in first couple of points, the mean is okay, it's around x double bar line, this line, but after some point, it gets smaller, okay, because we have more points below, down here than here, okay, so it gets smaller. So the answer is 5. For the pattern D, so look at the mean is all the same all along the way, but the variance is changing. Variance gets a little bit bigger in the last 3. So see, there's this jump in the variance in our chart, and the mean stays the same all the way, and the points are scattered around this x bar line to get that equality, I mean to get that pattern. And here, see, the mean is changing, I mean taking different values. So the mean is high, just the regular mean, smaller, and last 2 stays the same. So the mean is going to start big, and then it's going to get smaller and smaller. So this is a suitable graph for the mean. For the R chart, for the variance is just going to have a peak around here. It's going to get bigger, but it's almost the same everywhere. So this is a reasonable R chart for it. That's it.